Good day, YouTubers and people of South Africa. I am the Bat.
And I'm the Cat.
And this is the introduction for our new YouTube channel, the Bat and Cat Virtual Market.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, here you can look for anything you want. Anything you want to buy, vehicles, property, clothes, any service you need.
No, and if it's not there, you can request it and we'll find it for you.
Yeah, and also if you're looking for a job or you're looking for an employee, we've also got videos for that. We are moving towards advertising on video. Yeah, it's 60-second videos, from 60 seconds up to, I'll say, 5 minutes max.
Yes.
Where businesses and services and people that want to sell advertise, and people are looking for a job. And you get a little bonus is also if you're looking for a soulmate or a girlfriend or a boyfriend. We are going to be posting videos as well of people who are in the same situation as you, are looking for someone special. So subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, and if you want to advertise, just look at our video in the introductions, how to advertise on the Bat and Cat Virtual Market.
Okay.
We look forward to doing business with you. This is the Bat signing out.
And the Cat, cheers.